What role do genetics play in identifying neurodevelopmental conditions? Imagine trying to solve a mystery about why some children learn differently or struggle with behavior. Genetics can be like a map that guides us to the clues. When doctors look at a child's DNA, they can find specific mutations or changes that might explain their learning challenges. These changes are often linked to neurodevelopmental conditions such as autism spectrum disorder, intellectual disability, or global developmental delay. Genetic testing is a key part of this process. It involves analyzing the child's DNA to find mutations in genes that control brain development. The most common methods include chromosomal microarray analysis, which looks for missing or extra pieces of chromosomes. Exome sequencing examines the parts of genes that make proteins, helping identify mutations that cause issues. Sometimes, tests are done specifically for conditions like Fragile X syndrome, which is a common genetic cause of learning difficulties. Research shows that about 2/3 of differences in neurodevelopmental conditions are due to genetics. This means that a child's genetic makeup can influence their chances of having these conditions. Interestingly, these genetic factors are similar in boys and girls, even though boys are diagnosed more often with conditions like autism or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Many neurodevelopmental disorders also share genetic links, which explains why children might have more than one condition at the same time. Understanding the genetic roots of these conditions is especially important for African American children. They are often diagnosed later or not at all, which delays access to support and educational resources. Making genetic testing more available and culturally sensitive can help identify needs early. This way, children can get personalized educational plans that address their specific challenges. Offering genetic evaluations as part of overall assessments helps clarify diagnoses. It also helps families understand what is happening and reduces stigma. When families know the genetic reasons behind their child's learning differences, they can better advocate for the right support. Ensuring equitable access to genetic testing and tailored educational services is vital for African American communities. In the end, genetics play a significant role in identifying neurodevelopmental conditions. They help pinpoint the causes, guide treatment options, and support educational planning. For African American children, improving access to these genetic tools and culturally appropriate care can make a big difference in their learning journey.